Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start. The above mentioned facts in the sale deed have established that the property was already mortgaged with the vendee, which was deemed to have been redeemed on the date of execution of the sale deed 1/11/1977. Full stop. It is an admitted position which need not to be proved that the property was mortgaged with the vendee prior to the execution of the sale deed. Full stop. In the column number 10 of the record of rights for the year 1974-75, a note with the red ink was given by the Patwari which shows that YD mutation number 494 the property had been mortgaged. Full stop. The said entry in the Khasra Girdavari for the crops of Rabi 1977 and Kharif 1977 was written with the red ink by the Patwari that Wahid Baksh son of Ilahi Baksh caste Duddi is mortgagee of the suit property. Full stop. The mutation under the sale deed in dispute has also been sanctioned, but before the sanctioning of this mutation another mutation for redemption of the property was attested. Full stop. The first appellate court has not adverted to the above referred aspect of the case and thus the judgment has been passed by the appellate court by misreading or non-reading of the most important documentary evidence produced by the petitioner, which is sufficient to prejudice the fate of the case. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondent has not been able to controvert the legal preposition that the mortgagee is not inherited in the definition of a tenant as enumerated in section 4 subsection 5 of the Punjab Tenancy Act. Full stop. The vendee who contested the superior right of the preemptor has to prove his superior or equal right at the time of sale, at the time of institution of the suit and at the time of decree of the suit. Full stop. The plaintiff petitioner Abdul Hai has established his superior right as son of the vendor Abdul Salam continuously at 3 different stages as required by law. Full stop. The judgment of the appellate court suffered from illegalities and infirmities, therefore cannot stand in law. Full stop. New para. For the foregoing reasons, this revision petition is accepted. Full stop. Resultantly, the judgment and decree dated 26/2/1983 passed by the additional district judge Multan is set aside and judgment and decree passed by the trial court 22/2/1981 is restored and the suit of Abdul Hai plaintiff petitioner is decreed. Full stop. He will deposit the total sale amount of rupees 22,000 less Zar Panjam if already not deposited or if deposited not withdrawn till 16/12/2000 from the date of passing of this judgment. Full stop. There shall be no order as to costs. Full stop.